a completely hands-free experience from RealWear. Free your hands.
In breweries, we typically use centrifugal pumps. Those are probably the most used pumps in the world. I think we have 17 of them in the brewery today. One of the challenges you have is we're trying to get the product to market as quickly as possible. We want to free up that cash flow, release those ingredients. We also want to run efficiently so our employees aren't logging extra hours. If you cavitate a pump, that means that you're creating micro explosions inside that pump, inside that actual head there. What happens then is you're destroying your product, so you have a QA issue. So all of a sudden we have a quality problem with our beer, and actually it's damaging that beer. Then secondarily, it's slowing the process down, and so we're actually not getting the process done. So labor cost goes up, those ingredients hold. So there you go.
We're going to say Librestream is going to show us a better way to solve that problem.
Right.
Hello? Did someone call my name?
No. Hello, Chris. Can you hear us?
Yeah, I can hear you. Hi, guys.
Excellent. How you doing? Welcome aboard, Chris.
Thank you. What can I do to help?
All right. We're going to address a little issue we've been having with our main pump here. So I see that you're standing in our brew house. If you could look to the right, you're going to look at the control panel for the pump there. Perfect.
Yep.
Okay, I see that it's not on right now. If you could turn the rocker switch, if it's on the right-hand side of that support there, and you're just gonna kind of look down a little bit, and you'll see a black switch on the post, and you can just flip that on for me.
You mean this thing down here?
Perfect, yep, that's exactly the one.
You sure? Okay,
I'm sure.
Oh, done.
All righty. Cool, so we'll let the control warm up. Okay, so I'm gonna walk you through a couple parameters that we're gonna set. So what I'm gonna need you to do is press the program button.
Can you show me which one that is? I'm not quite clear on that.
Sure, just hold still. We're gonna get a picture and circle the correct button.
Oh yeah, I see it now, yeah. Right there.
Sound effects.
Yep.
Excellent.
Would you like me to press it now?
Yeah, just press it once.
Got it.
Excellent.
One of the things that's, as Sanjay said, we've got a complex network set up in here, and it's actually performing really, really well. But if you think about a lot of times when you're in remote manufacturing locations or remote field locations, we don't always have the luxury of the kind of bandwidth and connectivity we are experiencing today. So, as I mentioned, Onsight was built for these rugged and difficult environments. So what we've done here is we've actually artificially constrained the bandwidth. We've simulated that rugged environment situation. So right now we're running a live stream. Christian, what do we got for bit rate on this roughly?
97 kilobits.
Okay, so we're running 97 kilobits per second right now. So, basically dial-up speed or even a little bit below. Now, admittedly, video's not HD, right? It's not perfect. But Chris, if you can go over to one of the gauges on one of those copper kettles.
Sure, I'm going to go over to the copper kettles here. I'm going to look down at this gauge.
Yep. So we can see that that's a gauge, but we can't read it.
Down now. Oh yes, there we go.
Because we don't have enough bandwidth. But we had customers, again, back to this idea of evolving the platform. We said, we want the ability to be able to read detail, even if we don't have the bandwidth to produce high-res video. So we still have our picture-in-picture video streaming here, but we always capture high-res image, so you can collaborate, you can resolve, you can identify the pinholes in a weld, or what's marked on an IC, or what's written on a gauge. So that's it on the demo. Chris, thank you very much. We're looking forward to some more patents on beer making.
Thank you. See you later.
Cool.
Thanks, Paul.
No problem. Cheers.